Welcome to the course. In this lecture, you'll learn exactly what we're going to cover in this course from start to finish. And it's also going to explain a little bit about my teaching style. For example, in the first section of this course, we're going to talk about why you should protect your site with HTTPS. And then we'll go over how SSL certificates work. You'll also get familiar with a few different types of SSL certificates and different ways to create them. You could say that the first section concentrates on the why aspect and theoretical knowledge of SSL certificates. I'm a huge fan of learning by doing, but I do think that a certain amount of theoretical knowledge is necessary because it really helps tie it all together in the end. Once you understand the theory, then you can concentrate on the fun part, like creating servers, running scripts, and seeing how everything works together. So, in the next section of the course, you'll get comfortable creating servers on DigitalOcean and being able to connect to it over SSH. This server is also where we'll spend a majority of the course on, so if you're looking to pick up a little bit of Linux knowledge along the way, then you've came to the right place. Next up, we're going to concentrate on getting Nginx installed and configured to work with SSL certificates. Throughout that process, you'll see fully working examples on how to host a website with Nginx. You'll also see how to generate your own self-signed SSL certificates, which are great for testing. By the end of this section, you'll know how to securely host a website with Nginx. Then, it's on to setting up a custom domain name. And don't worry, you'll still be able to follow along if you don't plan on buying a domain name. This section will teach you how DNS works, and we'll wrap up this section by connecting your DigitalOcean server to a custom domain name. After that, it's on to the main event, and this is where you'll learn all about Let's Encrypt. We'll cover how to use Let's Encrypt to issue SSL certificates, how to integrate it with Nginx, and even how to automate everything so that your SSL certificates get renewed without you having to do anything. You'll be supplied a battle-hardened script that you can use on all of your sites and projects. Once things are set up, it will be as simple as setting one environment variable and running the script. Finally, the last section of the course covers a few different use cases. For example, you'll learn how to configure Nginx to securely host multiple websites on the same server. Then you'll see how to use Nginx as a reverse proxy. That means you'll be able to securely host any web application. It doesn't matter if it's a Ruby on Rails, Django, or Node.js app. Every web app will work. Lastly, you'll also see how to configure Apache too. This way you'll be able to protect your WordPress or Drupal sites, but it'll also work for other PHP web applications as well. By the time you finish this course, you'll be able to securely host any site with both Nginx and Apache. The best part about it is you'll be provided with well-tested scripts and config files for every step of the way. With that said, thanks so much for being a part of this course, and I'll see you in the next lecture where I spend a few moments introducing myself. See you there.